and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Danny P. If you are new here, welcome. I film all types of content dealing with fashion, beauty, and lifestyle related content. So if you like to watch that type of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, as you guys can see, I am in a different environment. I'm not in my usual area. I am actually in Detroit. As y'all can see by my surroundings, it is very, very gloomy and rainy outside, but today we are going thrift shopping in Dearborn, and I hear Detroit, people in Detroit know how to dress, so I'm trying to get some of that drip too. So I'm gonna see what I can find today. All right, y'all, it's freezing out here. Hopefully we find some fine stuff, like, no lie. I'm excited. Y'all know I like to thrift. Y'all, so I found this shirt. It's like a brown, dingy, vintage looking shirt, but I don't know if I like it for real, because it's really big. I guess I'll keep looking. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this shirt.
Just because I need a reminder.
Right. Not today, Satan. Let's see what these purses is looking like, y'all. I always gotta stop by the accessories and see if I can find me some cute accessories. And not really hitting on nothing today, y'all. For sure, for sheezy. And not hitting on nothing today.
Not for real,
Not for real, for real. This is a little cute. That's okay. Yeah, the purse is not hitting on nothing today, y'all. Oh, this is so cute. What the fuck? Look how cute this purse is, y'all. It's so tiny and cute. Guys, I love this mirror. It's so cute. I wish I wasn't in Michigan, because I would take it with me, like, today. Yeah, Ed Hardy hats. Look.
She got the 6-style.
Hell yeah. I would get it, but I'm not gonna wear it. Okay guys, I want to show you guys what I found so far. Can y'all see me? Okay, so for some reason I decided to get stuff, like brown stuff. I don't know why, but this is one of the things I got. It's a cute little crew neck. You feel me? And then I got this, what is this, like a baseball tee? Yeah, it's like a baseball tee. I really don't know what I wear with it, I don't know. And then I found some vests, some neutral tone vests. I'm about to try both of them on to see which one I'm gonna choose. And then I found me some brown leggings, y'all. You can't really see the color, but yeah, they're brown leggings.
$15.96 is your total.
Do y'all do Apple Pay?
Yes.
Okay guys, so my goal for how much I wanted to spend was like $15, and I spent $15.96. How much did you spend?
$11.
$11? So yeah, stayed in our budget, and honestly they had some really good stuff. I wanted to look more, but as y'all know, I live in Georgia. I have a suitcase. I can't be buying a whole bunch of stuff and having no space in my bag to put it. So, but anyways guys, this pretty much concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.